Planned 8-hour power outage to affect these Cape Town areas. The City of Cape Town says its Electricity Generation and Distribution Department will be doing infrastructure maintenance in Lansdowne, which will result in a power outage. The critical maintenance will be carried out twice in February and in March. The City of Cape Town said the electricity infrastructure maintenance will be carried out on Tuesday, February 13, 2024, from 8 to 1600 hours and on Tuesday, February 20, 2024, from 8 to 1600 hours. The maintenance will be done again on Wednesday, March 20, 2024, from 8 to 1600 hours and on March 27, 2024, from 8 to 1600 hours. This is important maintenance of critical power infrastructure in the Lansdowne area. The maintenance work ensures a reliable electricity supply for residents in the area. The city apologizes for any inconvenience caused, the municipality said. Furthermore, the municipality warned that the electricity supply could be restored at any time, and customers must please treat all electrical installations as live for the entire interruption duration. Residents are encouraged to switch off appliances as a precaution and to avoid damage caused by power surges when the power comes back on. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.